Alright, so I'm Tennille with Beauty in the City, and I'm here with Johanna.
Hey guys.
And so what we're going to do today, Johanna was talking to me about a fun hack. We're going to be looking at lip liner as eyeliner. And so this goes to the thing we're always talking about, using one product in multiple places on your face. And it also goes to the fact that with Beauty in the City, it's 2-minute vegan glam. But part of that 2-minute vegan glam is being able to use products in more than one place, so it's a little quicker. Alright, so show us your hack.
So today I'm going to be taking this is a lip liner, and I'm going to be using it actually on my eye.
Okay, so tell me what color you have.
I have brown. So what I would put my eyeliner.
Wait, what is it called? Because we've got a couple of browns. Ours are all inspired by the 90s shades. I'm using Spice. Oh my gosh, if you watch your videos, you know I'm like Spice all day addicted. Tell me what you got.
A little lighter than mine. This is mousse.
Oh yes, mousse is a fun one. Yes, yummy. Okay.
So I'm going to be putting this on my waterline, just right under.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so I don't really do the whole wing. I'm just going to put it right on my waterline. It's going to look really pretty.
Okay, I'm going to wash this on the top of my eyes. I just need a little something to take some of my eyeliner down. So that's great because I'll be doing on the top lid, and then you'll be doing on the.
Yeah, I like to do it on my waterline just to have a really dark look.
Yes, no. Dark eyes I'm addicted to, but I already have a little ninja there. And so I kind of want to move that. A little ninja, and I also have some of the Beauty in the City Mercury. Spice in there. It's kind of neutral. I might do like a little smudging with this because it's a little neutral and I want to see a little bit more of it. And so I'm going to go thicker on the lash. I'm trying to see. It's not as dark. It's like
yours is a little lighter than mine.
Yeah, so it's not super dark, but you'll get a little color back. Let's see. This is a really natural shade. I actually think it's good for summer, but I could so see wearing this in the fall with like some nice brown outfits. Yours looks good. Yes. You can get a little bit of color there, and then you can I'm gonna go one eye and just wash it over the whole entire eye. The pencil, just so we get a little color there. I picked up a little bit of the ninja there. I'm gonna go up high, everything but the brow bone with this guy. And so it's super neutral, but it's pretty.
Can I see my brown coming along? I can already see it.
Let me see. Yeah, you know what? It's really soft.
Yeah, it's really soft. It's not like dark. It's not like
glass. If you want a little darker, you might smudge it a little bit. So like go under the lash line and give it a little smudge if you want to like a pop out of it. Yes.
To see it.
Because you got brown eyes, and so I've got brown eyes too, and so it's almost giving like a reflection. So it gives a little baby doll look. But if you want like a dark smudge, I would go underneath the lash line a little bit and smudge it.
Smudge it.
Looks good.
I can really see it.
I can see it now.
Yeah,
I can see it. You're popping it out. Yes.
It's like a reddish undertone as well.
It does. Yeah. Yes. It looks good. Well, the thing about this trick is that it's natural because it's something you would normally put on your lips, is what I'm finding. But it also gives like a natural beauty, right? And then I like the way you've kind of gone out a little bit here. And it gives like a nice little contour there, right?
Oh, like you
look,
could actually like see the difference.
yes,
It's, like,
yes.
straight, yeah.
We have to get that close because it looks so good. And then what I've done is I've actually washed my eye here with it, and then here I just smudged it. So just so you guys can see a little bit of a difference, but it gives such a natural play to what you're doing, so that you have natural looks that are still glossed up, snatched, and pretty, and it's 2-minute vegan beauty.
Yeah, so cute.
So cute. So there you have it. There's the look.